Have you ever noticed something while working in Excel? Whenever you type long text or lengthy data in a column, the text gets cut off because the column width is too small. So what do we usually do? We manually drag the column border to increase the width, and then we do the same again and again every time we enter longer data. Honestly, this is a waste of time and not a smart way to work, especially if you work with Excel every day. But don't worry. Let me show you a very simple trick that will fix this problem automatically in just a few seconds. Now go to the Sheet tab at the bottom of your Excel file. Right-click on the sheet name, and from the menu, select View Code. This will open the VBA editor window for that specific worksheet. At the top of this window, you will see a drop-down that says General. Click on it and change it to Worksheet. This tells Excel that we want to add an instruction that runs automatically whenever something changes in the worksheet. Now inside the code area, type the following line. First type the word cells, then type a dot, then write entire column, type another dot, and finally write Autofit. In simple terms, this line of code tells Excel, whenever data changes in this sheet, automatically adjust the column width so that the content fits perfectly. Once you have entered this line, simply close the code window and return to your worksheet. And that's it. Your setup is complete. Now watch this. When you type long text or large data into any cell, Excel will automatically adjust the column width to fit the content. No more dragging columns. No more manual adjustments. This small automation can save you a lot of time, especially when working with large spreadsheets or entering data regularly. If you found this tip helpful and learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, save it so you can use this trick later, and follow best learnings for more smart Excel tips and productivity tricks.